So I have a troll on YouTube. I posted this thing on Neil deGrasse Tyson explains the metric system, and I just had one issue that a meter couldn't evenly be divided by 3 or 6 or 9. You get a endless row of fractional values that go on forever. And so you don't get an exact answer if you divide 1,000 by 3. And this bonehead has been arguing with me up and down about, let me get the whole thing up.
I'm a person that struggled with every aspect of healthcare you can imagine my entire life. And then I walked into
where is
Ford
it?
and had a baby.
Can I see the comments, please? Thank you. So here's my little rant with Simon Woolbury Forget. Forget that one. But anyway, you don't know how to use rational numbers. 1/3 works for meters to, oh God. And so I'm going, I know what fractions are. Here's an example of what I've done with them. See, these are two whole numbers, and they come out with pi almost, to how many digits is that? It's too many for most calculators anyway. Looks like you got an F for failing the exact answer. I'm telling him. Because he thinks 1/3 expressed in decimal digits is an exact answer. It's not. If you run the numbers, 360 divisible by 3 is exactly 120, but 1,000 divided by 3 goes on forever, and you can't get an exact answer in a computer. It doesn't work. And so you can't get an exact answer. So he goes on and he goes back and forth with this business about radians now, because I'm using the number 360. And I used pi as an example of a ratio, division by a number. So, yeah, we went back and forth. Show more replies. And it's endless with this guy. So, I have this that I wrote ages ago. And as you can see, I can put it in base 3. The fractions still don't resolve. Doesn't matter what base you use. Here's base 10. Here's the fractions. They don't resolve themselves. Base 10. You should be able to understand that. In fact, this is the ratio we've been talking about. 1/3. Let's see if 1/3 works in base 3. No, it doesn't resolve. It still doesn't resolve. Let's see in base 5. No, it's still 1/3. Base 7, base 11. Nope, doesn't work. So, here's the web address. Here's the web address. Let's put it in big letters so you can see. This might take a moment or two. My software is slow. Apple makes it that way, so you have to buy a new computer. Blank. So we go paste and select. Let's blow up the window. Make it bigger. Make it smaller. Make it bigger. Let's go 200%. And then let's crank down the font size. So if you want to play with my little CalcFun calculator, here it is. Gives you exact answers in fractional form that you can't get in decimal form as a decimal point with digits following it. So zip-bits, zip-bits.000 webhostapp.com. Web development, calcfun.html.